In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion graphics for a product promotion using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or just someone looking to spice up a presentation, this guide will walk you through creating eye-catching motion graphics that capture your audience's attention from start to finish. First things first, you want to open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy, and Canva is accessible both online and through their app on mobile devices. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new design, and for this project, select the video format. This is crucial because we're focusing on motion graphics, and choosing the right format gives you access to all the tools you need for creating dynamic content. Next, choose a clean and eye-catching background color for your design. A good background sets the tone for your entire video. Think about your brand colors or the emotion you want to evoke, ensuring it complements your product highlight. This is where your creativity comes alive, so feel free to experiment and see what looks best. After setting up your background, it's time to upload your product photos or video clips. These visuals are the centerpiece of your promotion, so choose high-quality images or clips that showcase your product in the best light. You can upload files directly from your device or use Canva's integration with platforms like Dropbox or Google Drive. Then, enhance your design by adding icons, shapes, or even illustrations that complement your product. For instance, if you're promoting a skincare product, you might include illustrated ingredients or abstract shapes to create a modern look. This not only adds depth, but can also emphasize key features of your product. The next step involves bringing your graphics to life with animation. Select any text, elements, or scenes within your design and apply animations. Canva offers a variety of animation options, such as fade, pop, and rise, which can add a dynamic flair to your content. Play around with different combinations to see what brings the best energy to your motion graphic. To maintain a smooth visual transition between different clips, use the match and move or pan transition effects. These techniques help create a seamless flow that keeps your audience engaged. By using transitions that align well with the content, you ensure that each segment of your video is connected and fluid. Once that's done, click on Elements in the toolbar on the left. This gives you access to a plethora of graphics and elements that you can use to enhance your design even further or fill in any gaps. No motion graphic video is complete without music. Browse through Canva's audio library and select upbeat or sensual tracks that match the mood of your promotion. Music adds another layer of engagement and can significantly influence the viewer's perception of your product. Finally, after you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Click Share and download your project as an MP4 file. This format ensures that your video is easily shareable across platforms, whether you're posting on social media, embedding it in a website, or using it in presentations. And that's it. With these steps, you've created a compelling motion graphic product promotion in Canva that's sure to captivate your audience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.